how you can set up App Vault. App Vault is a time-saving feature available on select mobile devices, offering quick access to frequently used apps, tools, and features. It serves as a centralized hub, removing the need to search for individual items. By storing favorites in one place, users can streamline their mobile experience, saving time and improving efficiency. App Vault also upgrades security by keeping essential data in a single location and provides instant access to helpful tools like weather reports, calendars, and news updates. App Vault provides a convenient and efficient way to access commonly used mobile resources. Configuring App Vault on a mobile device is a simple and uncomplicated procedure, with slight variations depending on the device and operating system. Here are the general steps to follow. First, find the App Vault on the home screen or in the app drawer. If a user is unable to find it, refer to the device's manual or search online for device-specific instructions. Then, access the App Vault feature and customize it by adding or removing shortcuts, rearranging items, and selecting preferred quick access tools. Now, if a user wants to utilize the Notes and Reminders feature, create new notes and reminders within App Vault by tapping the respective icon and entering the necessary information. And lastly, discover features offered by App Vault, such as app recommendations, news updates, or a built-in calculator, depending on the device and operating system.